Hello, folks. Welcome to another round of the Daily Minute. I want to give you some quick updates as per usual. Reading about a lot of news, what's happening with numbers. Fed just came out with manufacturing production numbers, which, again, I like seeing some of the positive side of things that are going on. Jumped 7.2% last month. That's the largest gain since March of 1947. And that's on top of climbing 3.8% in May. So again, we see these incremental positive moves. Clearly, we're coming out of a deep hole. There's no question about that, the worst ever. But again, you need to start seeing what the trajectory is and where we're going, and seeing positive increments at good pace definitely makes people a lot more encouraged, and that's what we need to have happen at the end of the day. In perspective, again, we're 11% below where we were if you look at where our position was in February, so obviously we have some room to go. But also, if you look at what forecasters had thought would happen this month, they thought we'd have about a 5.6% increase. So we nearly doubled that. So again, like we've seen with some of the employment numbers, we're seeing some of the things actually moving at a much faster pace than what people had forecasted just a month or two ago based on information they had at the time. So that's all really good news at the end of the day, and it's good to see some of those things happening and moving in the right direction for our industry. 1947, it's kind of a number or a year that kind of sticks in my brain real well. That's the year that my grandfather and 9 other guys decided to start up a company back in Rochester, New York, back in 1947, 9-way partnership, and created a company that turned into one of the largest tool and die manufacturing automation companies in the U.S. by the late 70s. And one of the things that my grandfather always said to me, and he obviously lived through a bunch of difficult times if you think what happened all those decades from 1947 right through into the 80s, essentially is that success never surprises you. You keep on working for it. I think that's what we've got in front of us right now. People are plugging away. We're making inroads. We're figuring out how to innovate. We're doing things new. We're doing them different. We're taking the hand we're dealt with, and we're figuring out how to integrate it and leverage it. And you can start to see the data is proving out that some of that's actually having an impact for us. So every day we're a little bit further along the line. Some good news to pass along there. Let's hope that keeps on coming. Keep plugging. We're going to get there. And anything AMT can do to help you, obviously, we're here to do that. Have a great day. We'll catch up to you again next week.